welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my jewelry collection. So this is going to be my bridal trousseau part 2. In the part 1 I showed you guys a lot of clothing, outfits, some bags and other things. So in this video I'm going to show you guys all the jewelry collection, and this has been a video which was most requested, and a lot of you guys asked me after I showed the wedding saris, and I'm really sorry that it got delayed. And before we get started, if you enjoy this video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I do a lot of fun fashion videos and hauls and lookbooks and makeup videos, reviews and everything else, and there's a whole bridal series going on my channel. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram for quick videos and hauls and everything else. Before we get started, I have a small disclaimer. So some of the neck pieces and other jewelry which I wore for my wedding is not here with me. Obviously we don't keep things at home, right? So I'm not going to show you guys all that collection, but I will walk through some of the collection that I do have with me, and some others which I did wear for my wedding, but I won't be able to like actually show you guys because yeah, so I'll insert videos wherever required. So these are some of the neck pieces which are like must-haves. Mango mala is a must-have. It used to be one of those traditional pieces, but now it is in trend and it keeps coming back. So this beautiful small really cute mango mala, I wore this for my nishtardam which was at home, and again wore this for my brother's engagement too. I think I wore this a lot of times. It's a very beautiful piece, and I think my mom got this when I was still in like +1 or +2 like inter, and at that point I was not that fond of it, but obviously it is such a beautiful piece and I absolutely love it now. And this is a very old piece, like I said, and she doesn't really remember where she got it. It might be from Sri Jewellers, which is in Amirpet and Jubilee Hills as well. And most of my jewelry is really old. They got them made when I was still in like school and college. So I may not be able to give you guys the exact places for some of them, but most of my jewelry majorly is from Chandubai or Sri Jewellers of Tanishq, and some of them are from Tribhuvan Das. So these are the ones which we are like, and Petals Das as well for diamonds. So these are the trusted ones. So the next neck piece is this really beautiful one. It's a very Indo-Western kind of a thing. This is something that you can wear on party gowns as well and Indian wear as well. So this is my mom's actually, but I wore this for my cocktail party after the wedding, sort of like a small reception, sort of a cocktail party. And I was wearing a white gown and it went really well with that. So it's such a beautiful piece. I love it. And yeah, again, you can wear it on like lehengas and Indo-Western gowns as well. It's a very beautiful piece. Again, I don't remember where we got this, but yeah, mostly it might be from Tribhuvan Das. So these are really beautiful traditional pieces. Recently when I wore them for Varalakshmi Vratam, a lot of you guys complimented this. So this one is from Musadilal. It's again a very old piece. This is my mom's again. I keep wearing it from time to time. And then I have like some of these really beautiful smaller pieces which are for like everyday wear, or when you wear them for like smaller parties on your kurtas, and again Indo-Western. So this one is I think from Tribhuvan Das, and again a very beautiful set. So after the wedding and before the wedding you have a lot of smaller parties where you would want to dress up, and these are the pieces that you can actually have for such collections. It's a very gorgeous piece, this small choker kind of a necklace, and this one I think is from Kirtilal's. I'm not really sure. This my dad's brother has gifted it to me. So again a very old piece. He got it for me when I was I think 20 or something, when I was like 19 or 20. Second one is from Tribhuvan Das. This is my the main necklace. This is my main beautiful necklace. And the third one actually is a mango mala. This I got it in an exhibition sometime back. So this is the third layer which I was wearing. I was wearing this also for 2-3 occasions. This is actually available in both silver and artificial pieces. I've seen a lot of smaller Instagram stores also carry these, and I got this from an exhibition, and you can find something similar in Lotus silver jewelry. This came with earrings as well, but yeah, it's such a beautiful piece. I wear this a lot, and yeah, like you can see, you know, the color or anything hasn't gone away, and I've worn this a couple of times already. And yeah, when you're buying silver pieces or artificial jewelry, this is one of those important points. Make sure that you get good quality so that you know, they don't fade away. But regarding silver, I really don't know what the return value and all those things are. You might have to check with the store. When I did a video on Lotus jewelry, a lot of you guys asked this question, but I'm really not sure. And even in artificial jewelry, if I find something similar, I'll link it. And in real jewelry, like diamond jewelry, I've seen this in a couple of places actually. I think Tibarumal's is store in, I think, Lumini Mall somewhere in Banjara Hills. And even for silver jewelry, there's this store called Rajatamaya, and there's also Pink Panther jewelry. So there's a lot of these. I'll leave them in the description box. And these longer neck pieces are again something that's quite old, and this is quite a traditional model. I have a couple of these, and the one that I actually want to wear is a very beautiful piece which sort of turned a little dark because it's a very old piece, and we realized really late, so I ended up wearing something else which I borrowed from my mom. Again, these are pieces which are a little old, but they're the traditional pieces. Mostly I think she got most of her jewelry done from Vittal Das or Tribhuvan Das, so these are the ones that she usually trusts. Now moving on to some other artificial jewelry. I think you'll find these in those fine jewelry sort of shops. There's one in Amirpet in Lal Banglaw. So it's in the same floor as Sai Kanchi, so you can check out that store. I don't remember the name, but it is on the ground floor, just opposite Sai Kanchi. That place has really beautiful artificial jewelry, and I did a couple of videos on artificial jewelry, so you can check out those videos also if you're interested in buying artificial jewelry. And I will leave like a playlist here. And in General Bazaar also there's stores which have really beautiful jewelry, and there's online stores as well. I will leave some in the description box which have good jewelry. And St. Charles, one place where I used to get some of my artificial jewelry. So this was much before when I was in college, but, because just to make sure that, you know, I don't misplace things, I used to wear a lot of artificial jewelry, and I have done quite a lot of hauls too. So you guys have seen most of my collection if you've been following my channel. But Saint Cha Jewellery has beautiful pieces, and they do customized pieces as well, and they do like stone jewelry which looks very real as well. So if you're looking for something like that, then that's a great place too. Now moving on to some of the other smaller pieces. This is a very beautiful mango mala. This is from Lotus, and this is a very beautiful piece. They have like different models in similar kind. They have like long malas, and they have like instead of mangoes they have round design, and a lot of beautiful designs. I got a tika as well, mang tika as well at Lotus, and even that one looks beautiful. My older mang tikas are too short, and I really didn't want to invest in something like that at this point, so I went with silver jewelry. And yeah, so if you have any inhibitions like that, I would really suggest that you go for any jewelry. You don't have to wear a specific type of jewelry, whether you want to wear like gold, diamonds, or silver, or artificial. It's really a choice. I don't think you should put pressure on something like that and invest in something unnecessarily. Especially if you're looking to invest in something which is traditional, which is a versatile piece, then that's great. But if you're looking to invest in trendy pieces, I would really suggest you go for like silver or artificial pieces, because trends keep on changing. And then I have these really beautiful bangles. They have a little Lakshmi Murti here, and they look gorgeous. I'm not able to recollect if I wore these, but this is something that you can keep handy, because along with the glass bangles and gold bangles, you can mix them up and wear them. So these are from Violet and Purple. Violet and Purple also has pretty good jewelry. So yeah, these are very pretty ones. As you can see, they give a very beautiful look. Look at this piece. These are actually in trend at the moment because I'm wearing red. I don't think you'll be able to see properly if I put it on myself, but just look at this. There's a lot of these with the thread work, with black thread also, which are kind of in trend, and even in wiring. So this is something that I haven't worn yet, but yeah, it is one of those pieces which you can definitely try out. and I think this was from some exhibition, but I think I have the details. I'll put the name of the store here, and I'll put the contact details also in the description box. This one is also silver, and I think I got this in an exhibition. So I got this also during an exhibition at End Convention, I think. And this one is also silver, and this part hasn't faded, but at the back it has faded. I'm not really sure about the store's name, and yeah, it's a very pretty piece, but you will again see these a lot on Instagram store, so I'll leave some links in the description box. Lotus also has similar stuff, but I haven't seen them do black beads, but I'm not sure if they'd make them on order. Now we have something from Suhani Patti. Suhani Patti is a jewelry designer, and her pieces are copper based. I got this a while back for some Diwali, and this is a very beautiful piece, and yeah, this is again something you can wear for Indo-Western or lehengas and even gowns. So this will be great for those parties, like if you have like a Diwali party after the wedding, or before the wedding you have some occasions, smaller occasions where you don't want to wear your jewelry, like gold jewelry, then this is a great option. So you can have a couple of pieces like this. If you're into designer pieces, then this is a really good one to invest in. The store is in Banjara Hills, but you can order online as well if you're from different cities. Collection is very beautiful. They have chokers also in a similar piece. They have beautiful earrings. So yeah, definitely check it out. This is one of my favorite pieces, the Meenakari choker. I have worn this like so many times, oh my god. And this is from an Instagram store called Tatvam, and they have beautiful pieces. Absolutely love this one. I do have some other pieces also from them, but yeah, one of my favorite pieces. And of course everyone should have Chandbalis, whether you're South Indian or North Indian. So I got these in Shilparamam a long time back, but you will find them everywhere. I'll try and link some Instagram stores. Again, you can wear them on lehengas, anarkalis, and smaller occasions when you're just stepping out casually for small events. These are beautiful. So I have some more beautiful artificial jewelry. This is a very beautiful piece. I wore this for my cocktail party, and such a beautiful piece. It was a little expensive. I was looking for something to get from Zara, but I didn't have time to go till Forum, so I had to quickly find something in Sharad City Mall, like I think 1 or 2 days ahead of the wedding. I think I quickly went and got these. Totally worth it, but yeah, I think they were a little expensive. This is also from an Instagram store. They're called Petals by Swati. Of course, you would have seen these in different stores. Multiple stores have them in silver, gold and everything. I wanted rose gold, and I saw them in this beautiful color, and I had to get them. Again, these of course are like artificial jewelry, but you know, I think they can be really useful when again you have like quick parties, if you're hosting something at home, or if you're heading out for like a simple party where you're wearing like a basic anarkali or a kurta or a gown, a long dress. These will be great on that. So again, these were a little expensive. I'm not sure if you can find them for a lesser price. I think they come in different qualities. So I've seen them priced under 1,000 too, but the quality was different. The quality of this one is really good. The stone setting, everything is beautiful. Like when worn also, it's really gorgeous. I think I was wearing them in the last video. So yeah, these are from Petals by Swati. They have beautiful collection. I love every piece, but yeah, they're a little expensive. So similarly, you can get a lot of beautiful artificial jewelry too. They'll be really useful for smaller events. You can wear them for like mehndi, or during your wedding also. You'll have a lot of days when you have people come over, like your relatives or friends, and after the wedding also there'll be days initially when you would want to wear like dress up, because you'll have a lot of people visiting, or if you are visiting someone. So yeah, artificial jewelry is going to come in handy, because you may not have your gold jewelry with you all the time, just for safety purposes and all the other things. So it's great to have few backups, like get artificial jewelry for few backups as well, just in case something doesn't fit or something, because this happened to me. One of the neck pieces which I was planning to wear, we got it in the last minute from the bank, and we realized that, you know, it has faded a little bit and it needs polishing. So luckily, since I had silver jewelry, yeah, we didn't have a problem. So you should have some backups. So make sure that you set your jewelry ahead, plan your jewelry ahead for each of your outfits. Even if you do, some things will go wrong here and there, but that's fine. Just don't worry too much. Just have few backups though, and everything will work out great. So that was part of my bridal trousseau. Let me know if I missed anything. I think I'll be doing one on makeup and basically bridal essentials, or like a quick must-have, something like that. If I'm missing out on anything, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely plan those as well. And I have a lot of fun videos coming up for Diwali and wedding season, so don't miss out all those. And I hope you follow me on Instagram. I've been doing a lot of fun reels there and a lot of OOTD pictures and styling videos and hauls there too. So don't forget to find me on Instagram as well, and definitely subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel as well. I have a lot of videos coming up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.